I'm much more likely to get them. But then other things start happening that are cool, because then my brain starts working. Okay, if I want to be financially independent by the time I'm 50, how much money do I need to save every month to get there? And then I start thinking about my budget, not in terms of how do I not waste money, which, by the way, the more I think about not wasting money, the more I'm going to waste money, right? Instead of that negative, I have to think positively. Hey, I need to save $400 every month to get to my goal. I need to save X amount of money to get to my goal. And then that also helps us know how to invest that money. And then we also can set up milestones so we can high five ourselves every 6 months if we're ahead, or if we're behind, I can take corrective action. So I love the idea of putting our goals out on a timeline against each other and having them fight it out against each other like a wrestling match versus just these New Year's resolutions, to your point, that are in space.